Welcome to the new era of video creation with Bayozi 8. We will discuss advancements in AI for content creation, Stability AI's Stable Diffusion 3. Here is content. Stability AI has recently unveiled Stable Diffusion 3, an updated version of its popular AI model for generating images. This model allows users to generate highly detailed and customizable images from text prompts, with significant improvements in both image quality and diversity of outputs compared to previous versions. The key feature of Stable Diffusion 3 lies in its ability to produce more refined results, even with vague or ambiguous input, making it a powerful tool for creatives in industries like digital art, gaming, and advertising. It enhances existing workflows and opens new doors for artists and designers by enabling them to generate assets on demand. This model represents a major leap forward for generative AI, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in content creation. As AI continues to evolve, Stable Diffusion 3 exemplifies the growing role of AI in artistic expression and digital media production. Stable Diffusion 3 introduces several key advancements that elevate it above previous models. One of the most significant upgrades is its ability to generate images with higher quality and resolution, even with more complex and detailed prompts. This makes the AI tool ideal for professional-grade content creation. Another improvement is in the model's handling of intricate prompts. It can now better understand and interpret detailed instructions, resulting in more accurate and consistent image outputs. For example, users can specify exact color schemes, styles, or visual elements, and Stable Diffusion 3 will adapt to these preferences with minimal distortion. Additionally, the new model allows for real-time adjustments, enabling creators to modify and refine their images on the fly, enhancing productivity. This makes it not only a tool for generating static images, but also a dynamic part of a creator's iterative design process. One of the main advantages of Stable Diffusion 3 is its seamless integration with other creative software tools. This model has been designed to work well with programs used by professional artists and designers, such as Adobe Photoshop and Blender. This integration means that artists can generate elements using Stable Diffusion 3 and then refine or manipulate those elements further within their existing workflows. Whether it's refining textures, layering components, or incorporating AI-generated assets into larger projects, the AI tool enhances traditional creative methods. Furthermore, there are expanding possibilities for incorporating AI into animation and motion design, where Stable Diffusion 3 can generate image sequences for use in video projects or interactive media. This compatibility allows creative professionals to blend the best of AI innovation with their artistic expertise, accelerating content creation while maintaining a human touch. Stable Diffusion 3 has become an invaluable tool for digital artists and illustrators by assisting in the creative process and enhancing productivity. One of its key applications is in generating creative concepts and sketches. Artists can input a simple text prompt or provide a few guidelines, and Stable Diffusion 3 will quickly generate a variety of concepts for further refinement. This speeds up the ideation phase and allows for rapid exploration of new ideas. Additionally, for projects that require large volumes of content, such as character design, background art, or concept illustrations, Stable Diffusion 3 can generate hundreds of variations in minutes, freeing up artists to focus on refining the most promising designs. The tool also supports creative experimentation by helping artists collaborate with AI, merging new techniques and styles that would be difficult or time-consuming to explore manually. AI-driven tools like Stable Diffusion 3 are transforming how advertising is created. Advertisers can use the model to quickly generate customized advertisements that align perfectly with the branding and preferences of their target audiences. By leveraging vast amounts of user data, Stable Diffusion 3 can create visuals that resonate with specific groups, improving engagement rates and conversion metrics. Additionally, the model excels at maintaining brand consistency across multiple ads, which is crucial for maintaining a cohesive marketing strategy. Through Stable Diffusion 3, marketers can also generate personalized campaigns based on user behavior, making content feel more relevant and tailored. The ability to produce ad content rapidly and at scale allows businesses to stay competitive in a fast-moving digital landscape, reducing costs while increasing the creative potential of marketing teams. The gaming industry is one of the biggest beneficiaries of Stable Diffusion 3's capabilities. Game developers can use the model to quickly generate high-quality assets, such as textures, environments, and character designs. This accelerates the development process, allowing game designers to experiment with different visual styles and concepts without spending excessive time on manual creation. Stable Diffusion 3's ability to generate immersive and realistic visuals also enhances the overall experience for players. For example, dynamic game environments can be generated that respond to player actions, creating more engaging and interactive virtual worlds. Rather than relying solely on pre-designed content, developers can work alongside AI to produce adaptive game environments, offering players a unique experience every time they play. As AI becomes an increasingly integral part of the design process, collaboration between human designers and AI will lead to more innovative and polished gaming experiences. AI technologies like Stable Diffusion 3 are also making waves in education and training. Teachers and educational institutions can utilize the model to create personalized educational content, including illustrations, diagrams, and visual aids tailored to specific subjects or learners' needs. This is particularly valuable in subjects like science, history, and language arts, where visuals can enhance understanding and retention. Furthermore, Stable Diffusion 3 can generate content for interactive learning environments, providing educators with the tools to create dynamic, engaging lessons. By automating the creation of educational visuals, the AI allows teachers to spend more time focusing on curriculum development, lesson planning, and student engagement. As educational tools become more accessible and versatile, AI-generated content will support a more personalized and effective learning experience for students of all ages. Looking forward, the future of content creation will be shaped by even greater collaboration between human creators and AI systems. Stable Diffusion 3 and similar models are opening up new possibilities for multimedia content generation, allowing creators to not only generate images, but also produce videos, music, and even interactive experiences. This cross-media capability will revolutionize industries like entertainment, where AI could help produce everything from storyboards and animations to soundtracks and visual effects. Marketing teams, too, will benefit from this ability to generate customized content across formats. As AI models continue to improve, the role of the human creator will evolve from one of execution to one of collaboration and curation. The potential for AI-generated creativity to push boundaries and explore new artistic avenues will likely lead to groundbreaking innovations across all industries. While the potential of AI in creative industries is immense, it also raises several ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the rise of deepfakes, where AI-generated images and videos are manipulated to create false narratives or deceive viewers. This technology can be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation or impersonating individuals. Furthermore, the question of authorship and intellectual property arises when AI generates creative content. Who owns the rights to an image created by a model like Stable Diffusion 3, the creator who input the prompt, the developers of the model, or the AI itself? As AI continues to reshape the creative landscape, it's essential that industry leaders, creators, and lawmakers collaborate to establish ethical guidelines and frameworks that protect intellectual property, ensure transparency, and mitigate potential risks. Innovation should be balanced with responsibility to foster a creative environment that benefits everyone. In conclusion, Stability AI's Stable Diffusion 3 represents a transformative leap forward for the creative industries. It's providing artists, designers, marketers, and educators with powerful new tools to generate high-quality content faster and more efficiently. This technology is opening up new avenues for creative expression, enabling individuals and teams to push beyond traditional boundaries. As AI continues to develop, it will undoubtedly play an increasingly central role in content creation across a wide range of fields. However, this technological revolution must be managed thoughtfully, with careful consideration of the ethical implications it brings. The balance between human creativity and AI assistance will define the future of the creative industries, and the possibilities are truly exciting.